go, go, go. Fight, fight, fight.
Tackle!
Tackle him, tackle him.
Hurry!
Get him.
You know what's funny video? Look at John Cena!
Get him.
Mommy! Oh yeah! Take off an arm! Yeah! Oh!
Go, go, go.
Run, get him! It's the arm lock! Get him! Oh! We did it! He's on the ground! Go for the chase! Oh no! What's this? He's stuck!
Go.
Come on! Bite him! Come on! Let's do this thing!
Get him.
Marina, come on! Fight!
Get him.
WWE! John Cena versus Woodchuck! Get him, John Cena! John Cena, watch out! Use the arm, Nick!
Get him. Watch out. Get him.
Tackle!
Tackle him. Bite his tail. Get his tail.
Come on! Fight!
Get his tail. Get his tail.
Ow! I think that was the part. That's part. No, that's not a part. Green one? No, that's not. No, it was like your part. It was like, not like that. It was like
Go get him.
dark and brown. Okay, ready?
Go.
Who gave up? They get tired. And, alright?
Go. Fight him.
Wait. I'm gonna go watch video. He's in the game.
I'm not
waiting. He's waiting for the attack. I know what to read.
Get me out. Guys, if you're watching this video, comment down below if you like the dogs fighting. Okay, they're going again, guys. Okay, bye.